whole box, just one at a time.
She's proper. She's got class. And she takes it. She doesn't eat it in there, but she can eat over the food. She eats, takes it to the side.
Watch. Missy, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, you scared her. What the heck is that all about?